is from Lowe's.
Okay.
And if ever I had to recommend a wood to buy at a big box store,
It would be white fir.
it would probably be white fir because there's just tons and tons of it.
Yep.
And it works, I think it acts like cedar, so it's good enough.
Yep.
So,
480.
white fir, 480 ish. Everything is ish. So, Abies, was it Abies? What's the name?
Yeah, I think it's.
You have the thing. Abies Concolor. Concolor.
Can I go?
Yeah. We are T-2. Marcel is doing white fir.
Just a little bit.
It sounds jumpy. It's quiet. So Andrew is trying white fir. Yeah, you hear that? Jumpiness. It has a jumpiness. And it's skipping. It sounds like it's skipping. There we go. Success. So white fir at 153. $15.53. Any thoughts?
It's rough to start,
Yeah, it sounds it.
but once it's mated, it's actually a pretty easy, decent coal. It's just that you gotta work with that beginning.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Very nice.